Hey everybody, making a quick tutorial here on how to line spool my Baitcaster. I'll be using the Coalport line spooler, Bass Pro Shops fluorocarbon, 20-pound test in this one. So make sure that I have it centered first. Put some line through it, then line it real fast. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go right through this bad boy, run the spool with the line, come back up. Most people tie an arbor knot on this. I don't really like the arbor knot for these, so I'm going to tie a uni knot. Two ends of it, around 2 fingers, back through the loop, and wrap it around. Probably about 5 or 6 times for this one. And just pull it right through, just like that. Cut the tag in. Got a tie on there, all the way through the loop. When you put it on here, you want to make sure that because this is going to rotate, make sure that your line rotates off the opposite direction as well. So this is already spooled on here one way. You want to make sure you re-spool it on your spool the same direction. Put it on here, tight, put it together, spool it around. One direction, spool it over. Just sit here and spool about 100 yards of it on here. So, alright, I've got about 100 yards of it or so spooled on here. As you can see, there is still roughly 1/8 of an inch or so for the edge. Should be about perfect. Should be able to use this several times before I have to worry about re-spooling this line. Just chop this end. That off, this back together, this back in our bag for later use. And now we'll be able to put it onto our and there we have it. Put it back together and everything. If you guys want to watch any more tutorials, I have a link down below set up to all my how-to and tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.